It's important to involve a diverse range of volunteers at events, because you'd want the volunteers who are supporting the event to be as reflective as possible of the potential audience and participants at the event, reflective of wider society. I think a diversity of volunteers will bring a diverse range of skills and capabilities and abilities and experiences which can all help for the event. But crucially, I think we wanted to provide a wide range of opportunities to people as well, so that a different range of volunteers maybe could benefit from the opportunities offered by taking part in a big festival in a venue such as this. Volunteers bring different skills, different capabilities and different experiences, professional, lived experiences, experiences of different communities together. Also, we wanted to provide a wide range of opportunities to people as well. So in our advertising for the volunteer opportunities, we wanted to make sure that a wide range of people could benefit from taking part in the and supporting what was a 4-day festival in a premier venue in Cardiff.